Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off the host device and removing the micro SD card carefully. This prevents data corruption. Once out, visually inspect the contacts for dirt, debris, or bent pins because contamination is the most common cause. Then insert the card into a known good adapter or USB reader and test it on a second computer or phone. This tells you whether the issue is the card, the adapter, or the original slot. Make notes on what failed before continuing. If the card appears but isn't accessible, you run Disk Tools to diagnose. On Windows, open Disk Management. On Mac, use Disk Utility, because you might see an unallocated partition or a corrupted file system. Once located, run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Unix-like systems to repair file system errors. These often restore access. Also make sure to update or reinstall the card reader driver via Device Manager and rescan for hardware. If diagnostics fail, prioritize data recovery. Run reputable recovery software and copy recoverable files to another drive because formatting will erase data. Once you've recovered what matters, format the card to FAT32 or XFAT, choosing allocation settings that match device requirements. This often restores compatibility. If the card still isn't detected, verify the original host slot with a known good card. If that fails, the slot is bad. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent detection happens, suspect physical damage or dying NAND, replace the card.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.